Sir, hello. Sir, this is not really a question that I'm asking you. This is something that I wish to know. We've been hearing you, we've heard you this morning. You are rightly or wrongly very critical about the current government. You know, I am a person, I'm an optimist, eternal optimist. I like to see some nicer things in everything. So I would want to ask you that, do you see something good in this current government? Can you tell us what you have observed, which we can say that these are the few right things and good things for people that the current government has done?
Thank you.
It's a very good question. And let me tell you, I have gone on record, and that's the only time I have been on the front page of newspapers. Because in the state of West Bengal, if you appreciate the government, you see two things on front page. One is a government advertisement, and second is what is favorable. So the governor has appeared on some occasions. When I went to Vishwa Bangla Kendra, I saw it for the first time. What an infrastructure. And that was a great gathering. People from more than 30 countries had come. Rotarians from all over the country. When I got into my car, I called the Honorable Chief Minister, ma'am, what an amazing infrastructure you have created. When I went to North Bengal, in some parts I saw roads being very excellent. I said, ma'am, infrastructure is taking place. But then I have to ask her, ma'am, what happened to Bengal Global Business Summit? You spent thousands of crores on that. I am not critical. There might be performance. There are issues. For example, when I raised PM Kisan issue, the government says we are doing this much for farmers. I appreciate. But I tell the government, why are you not taking 100% assistance of the central government? Why our farmers are losing? What you are giving to them is not even 10% of what the central government would otherwise give. So I keep it very balanced. But let me tell you something very important. We had a governors conference in 2019. I was heading a group of 10 governors. I wrote a letter to the Honorable Chief Minister. Ma'am, it is my obligation to put forth your point of view. If there are issues, let me know. I alerted her the same day when we came to know when the conference will take place. When there was no response, I reminded her 3 weeks thereafter. I got her communication, Hemanji, on the last day. I read out the communication as such. As such. It is my duty. It is my duty to take up every issue of the state government with the central government. I have to be side by side with my chief minister. Unfortunately, in spite of my best efforts, such occasions have not arisen.
TV9 भारतवर्ष और TV9 बांग्ला प्रस्तुत करते हैं पश्चिम बंगाल चुनाव पर सबसे बड़ा कॉन्क्लेव व्हाट बंगाल थिंक्स टुडे। देखिए 30 जनवरी दिन भर